everybody, and welcome to part 11 of our Turing tumble video. So in today's video we will do puzzle number 11. So let's get started. So first of all, we have our objective is to flip bits 2 and 5 to the right. Right now they're pointing to the left. And we have 15 ramps as our available pieces. And also we have 2 blue balls and 0 red balls. So I will leave the simulator link in the description below, and you can pause this video and figure it out. Okay, so first of all, we won't mind the red lever, so we'll just need a path down here. Then we know we need to point it, so you can point it either way. It's because it didn't say you have to do 2 and then 5. You can do any of them. Then we'll have to create a path all the way down to this to flip it, and then go down to the. But as you see here, this will go to this path, which will not do. So, of course, we need to do this first action. So, we need to put that there to make a path down to the bit number 2 and slow it down. Okay. So, you can, let's test this out. See? So, as you see here, bits number 2 and number 5 has been flipped to the right. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!